Can you guess what will be the output? A, true and true. B, true and false. C, false and true. D, false and false. You will get 10 seconds to select correct answer. The correct answer is B, true and false. Let's check why is that. In JavaScript, when comparing strings with relational operators like greater than, JavaScript compares them lexicographically, similar to alphabetical order rather than numerically. Console log 9 greater than 19. JavaScript compares 9 with string 19 lexicographically. Since 9 comes after 1 in lexicographic order, 9 greater than 19 evaluates to true. Console log 9 greater than 19. Here, JavaScript compares 9 with 19 lexicographically. 0 comes before 1 in lexicographic order. So 9 greater than 19 evaluates to false. Therefore, the result is true, false. So final answer is B, true and false. Great job if you got it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and challenges. See you next time.